All right, all right. We got the busy day today. It's 3:57. I don't think there's going to be much change in the appearance of the markets. We had the Fed come out. They seem kind of hawkish, and they were talking about the tapering. No fast moves to raise interest rates, but they are going to start looking at the tapering. But they did acknowledge all of the um, inflation fears out there and the economic growth and I mean I'm confident in their moves. So what? So anyway, that's what they did. They really didn't have too much of an effect. I really thought, well, yeah, you know what? They didn't come out with any surprise, so there was really no major move on the market. So now it's back to the technicals. We got a gap fill right here, and that's all you could really expect. And I had thought that we would close up higher and close strong, and it doesn't look like it. We kind of tapered back a little bit. This is a really indecisive bar to me, just on the S&P. So I'm just going to have to wait and see what transpires. I do believe that we should get up around the 44.71 mark. I'm kind of feeling tomorrow. I see the daily is rolling around a little bit. We could have a reversion in the momentum, and it could turn around and take off to the downside again. Um, but I'm playing it very conservative, man. We're getting a lot of really big swings, and I'm just playing it very conservative until I get a good understanding of the move. I mean, I definitely think we're going to retrace up. I just don't know when it is. And there's big fear. I mean, if we break this low of the 305.91, then this baby's going for a major sell-off. I mean, we already have about 5%, I believe, right? The high would be 45, so 545 to 305 is 240, and 10% of that would be 4,500 divided by half would be two and a quarter. So we got a close to a 5% retrace um, already, and that's a healthy retrace. I like that retrace, given this low right, this pivot right here. Um, so I would argue that this is where we should retrace to. Actually, I think from this low to this high, this is a nice healthy 61.8% retrace. And that's what I want to see. Well, actually, this area right here. I think this was a little algorithm selling due to the Evergrande, 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 that Chinese company with a French flair of a name. I mean, if we break that low again, then we could be looking at another 5% move down. So that could be pretty ugly. But I don't know. I'm thinking we're going to get a move up tomorrow, at least to a full gap close. But you know, again, we don't trade what I think. We trade what the market's doing. 429. So from here, a 30-point move really, you know, not a big deal. I think it's very possible. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at on the S&P. We got those fears out. You know, we still have inflation fears. We have problems with earnings and things like that to watch out for. But the other thing I found is that the market responds a day later recently. It's just kind of the culture. So we're going to really get a sense of what the market feels about it tomorrow. And then we shall see. Yeah, you know, everything just kind of spiked up. I mean, there's nothing really to report or talk about. Rising tides raise all ships. Let's look at Apple. That's an interesting play. It took a beating, closed its gap like everything else. There's really, there's nothing that interests me in it right now. So we'll just let it continue doing what it's doing, and just look for a good entry. No need to rush into it. The market will be there tomorrow. That being said, there's really not much more I feel I want to go into. We're just going to let everything play out. How's Disney actually? Disney's coming back a little bit too. Actually, Disney, I like. Yeah, this is a little ominous on the daily. That could be a bear flag, could make another move down, but you know, it's Disney and people are kind of overreacting on the subscription fees and everything like that. I think it's just creating a buying opportunity. I mean, there is no trading theory on Disney. I mean, it's an investment stock. You like the company, you invest in it. It's really that simple. So anyway, that's it for today. That's my wrap. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe, check me out. I try to trade during the day. It's been a busy day, so when the stream drops off, I'm really a little preoccupied and I don't realize, and it just happens. But yeah, you know, subscribe and hit the bell so you know that we're up. Hit the like because it goes a long way, and leave some comments. That always helps. So just remember, just stay calm, stay cool, and trade at peace.